Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Weeke Bhc Optimat Venture 1 CNC Machining Center. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machines you'd like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and checked. Again, this is a Weeke Bhc Optimat Venture 1 CNC Machining Center. We're going to start on the left-hand side. You do have your safety mats and a full safety cage on this pallet right here. You do have your leveling pucks and 2 air wands. If we come up over here, you're going to see that you have full operator's manuals to this machine as well. You do have 6 rails, 12 pods. Back here you do have your vacuum pump. The vanes were rebuilt 6 of 2015 in that vacuum pump. You do have a single tool up front, and you do have a tool changer in the rear that moves along with the X. Up underneath this, you will find 18 vertical spindles, 6 horizontal spindles, a 9.5 horsepower router spindle, grooving saw. You do have 128 inches of X, 44 to 49 inches of Y, depending on how you use this machine, and 3.9 inches of Z. Your control center can be moved from the left to the right of the machine. It does have long enough wiring capabilities to meet both sides. This machine is fully functional. There's your hand pendant to the left. We're going to go ahead and jog this machine, pop the fences up and down, and change some tools real fast. That is the vacuum pump going on. Those are your fences popping up. She's going to remove one tool. Place it in the tool carousel and grab another one. We are going to jog the machine real quick. Again, a fully functional Weeke Bhc Optimat Venture 1 CNC Machining Center. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.